We are in the key of F sharp. And on this video, I'm gonna show you how you can move in thirds, right? And first thing first, you wanna understand what that means, or let's make that easier, right? If you are in a key of F sharp, right, and moving in third, like for instance, this is my one, right? In F sharp, this is my 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So now, if I'm playing 1 and 3, I'm getting F sharp major third. So you'll notice that I'm skipping one note within the scale of F sharp, which is my second note, which is second note in this scale, right? And if I was to move to 2, skipping one note again, I'm getting a G sharp minor third. That is to say, the second note in F sharp, we know that is a minor chord, right? So hence, this third here is a minor third. And you get the same, I mean, throughout from 1 up to 7, right? 3 is a minor chord as well, so I'm getting A sharp minor third. And you'll notice that the pattern, so you look at this, I'm skipping one note every time and I'm getting this minor third. And I'm gonna show you in just a moment on how you can apply this in a song, because obviously we're not learning technique or skill just for the sake of learning. You have to know how you can apply that in a song or in your playing or in any progression. That way you won't even forget it, right? Because you have not only learned the theory behind it, but you can also apply it in your playing. So let's get back to it. Let's define this up to 7. Is your 1 major chord, or let's just say F sharp major chord, second note, the third one, the fourth one. Now look at the change here. We know that in the fourth one is a major chord, right? Remember, we have 3 major chords, 3 minor chords in every scale, and 1 diminished chord, right? B major third, my 5 there, C sharp major third, my 6 or D sharp minor, 6 is minor, this one here is a diminished chord, but I'm getting A sharp minor third. The point is to move in third. Now let's see how you can apply this in a song. Let's take for instance the song that is popular right now, Di Kgoro Bulega, right? Di Kgoro Bulega, Jesu yetla, uyetla Jesu yetla, Di Kgoro Bulega, Jesu yetla. I don't know if you've noticed that I've added, I moved in thirds there. So let me play this again slowly, right? And I'm gonna make sure that I do a little bit of singing so you can pay attention to what I'm playing. So, did you see that? So remember, I'm going to 4. So here's what I've done, right? Moving from 6 to 4, I moved in third. So this is the movement that I played. So remember, so instead of playing this here, I'm playing it here on my left hand. So I'm basically playing this. Sorry. But obviously I'm adding this so that it sounds nice. Right, let's do that again slowly. Getting to 4, moving in thirds. Jesu uyehla, uyehla, Jesu uyehla, dikgorobuleha, Jesu uyehla, ke morena wa masha. And look, you can even do this even during prayer, really, like, or maybe during the end of the song when you're trying to flow, right? And you don't have to move in that only when you're going to 4. You can move in that also when you're going to 6 or any key or any chord, really. I just like, applying this every time when I move or when I'm going to 4. It adds that nice touch instead of just going to 4 after playing. So it's almost like I'm using this more like instead of playing the passing chord, I'll just move in third, right? And that's something that you can do as well. Add this in your playing. You don't have to use passing chords always. You can literally move in thirds, like how I'm doing here when I'm moving in thirds, backwards. And I hope this helped you, and I hope this is gonna help you improve your playing. That was it for this video.